Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials. My name is Daniel Wayne. Previously we discussed on how to impute formulas in your Excel spreadsheet, and then we went further to discuss on the use of auto sum and other functions in imputing your formula automatically. Today we want to discuss on copying formula to a cell or range of cells. As you can see, copying formula to a cell or range of cells. So how does it work? As you can see on the screen, you have the income, expenditure, and the profit. So we've already summed this up. The total for the income, when you click on this, you see the formula for total, which is equals to sum B2 column B5 is displayed on the formula bar here. The same thing for the average, you see it on the formula bar, equals to average B2 column B5 to get your average. Then the maximum, to get your maximum from the formula bar, you see the formula is equals to max, max, bracket open, B2 column B5 bracket close. Then your minimum, you check it here from the formula bar, you see is equals to min bracket open B2 column B5, then which is 55,000. Here is the count, the number of figures in the range of cell 1 2 3 4. There are 4 figures in this range of cells from B2 to B5. So now we want to do the same to this other cell, okay, to these other cells in the expenditure. As you can see, we can't keep on typing the same formula. What you just do is to copy the formula and paste it in the cell. It gives you the value. For instance, we want to look at the total for the expenditure. So how do we do it? You click on this, you right click, you click on copy, then you come to this expenditure and click on this cell that is beside the income, then you paste. Are you seeing? As you've pasted, this value here is the total for the expenditure. If you want to confirm it, you click on the cell, on this cell, okay, then you check from the formula bar to see if the formula is correct. You see it's correct. The formula is indicating equals to sum bracket open C2 column C5, C2 to C5. So if you sum it up, it gives you this. So coming to the average, you do the same. You come to this point of income, the average of income, you right click, you copy, you come beside you come to the cell beside it under the expenditure, you paste. It gives you the average for the expenditure. You check the formula from the formula bar here, you click on it, You click on it and you see the formula is correct, equals to average bracket C2 column C5. Coming to the max, you want to look at the maximum value from this range of cell C2 to C5. You want to see the maximum value. So what you do, you also copy what you did here, the formula, you copy it, you come here, you paste. Okay, you paste. So the highest value from the expenditure is that in C5, which is this. Okay, so you come to the minimum, you do the same, you right click, you copy, you come here, you paste. So the value here, 39,433 is the minimum value for expenditure, which is here. Okay, the same thing you do for the count, you right click, you copy, you paste. Okay, you paste. So the 4 here indicates 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 values in this range of cell from C2 to C5. Okay, now we want to look at the profit. Okay, which is simply subtraction. What is the formula for subtraction? You check it here. You check the formula for subtraction, which is here. So you come to this point. Okay, what do? You first of all do the subtraction. B equals to B2 minus C2, that is this minus this, and you click enter, it gives you this. So because we want to do the same to this other range of cells from C3 to C5, we want to see the difference. So what you do is just, because you've gotten the value for this through this formula, what you just do is you right click on it, you copy. Then after you have copied, then you select the range of cells you want to paste the formula into. So the cells we need are this, and this. That is from D3 to D5. So we'll select this range. How do you select the range? You click on this cell, you hold the shift key from your keyboard, then you go to the cell, the range of cell, the last range of cell, which is a D5. You click on it, it selects these 3 range of cells. Then you right click on it and you paste. So these are your answers for the difference. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials on copying formula to a cell or range of cells. I remain Daniel Obenyi. I want you to subscribe on this YouTube channel and share the link. Thank you for watching. Bye.